Hey, welcome back to the Blue Collar Bartender. I'm Chris. Today, making the Revolver. The Revolver is a scrumptious dessert cocktail made by John Santer, a bartender in San Francisco in the early 2000s. Let's make the Revolver. 2 ounces of bourbon into a mixing glass. Half ounce Coupe Liqueur, using Kahlua today, the most standard. 2 dashes orange bitters, using Regan's. Add ice. With a bar spoon, we're gonna stir for about 30 seconds. And once the glass gets frosted on the outside, you know it's ready. This will offer the proper dilution and temperature of this drink. Okay. With our strainer, we have a chilled Coupe Glass to the side. We're gonna empty that. And we are going to strain up. Final step, garnish. Orange peel, spritz the oils, coat for the taste, and plop on top. Here you have it, the Revolver. Let's give it a shot. Cheers. This would be very good for dessert. The coffee and the orange bitters really pair well. Great balanced drink. This will pair well with a great piece of chocolate cake. Well, folks, go home, try it for yourself. Please like our video, subscribe to our channel, follow us on Instagram at The Blue Collar Bartender. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.